Hi, are you thinking about purchasing a home? Well, I am here to share with you some tips on how you can become a smart home buyer in today's market. My name is Ramona Williams. I'm with the Springs Home Team, and at any time you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Click below, text me. I'm available. Buying a home is one of the most significant investments that you'll ever make in your life. Whether you're a first time home buyer or an experienced buyer, the process can be very overwhelming. However, with the right knowledge and approach, you will become a smart home buyer and make informed decisions that will benefit you in the long run. So, here's some tips. Number one, define your needs and your wants. Before you start your home search, it's essential to determine what you want in a home. Make a list of what your non-negotiables are, such as the number of bedrooms, the number of bathrooms, garage, places, like do you want to be close to a certain school, your must-have features. Then make a list of your wants, such as I want to have a large backyard, or I want to have a walkout deck, or I want to have a two-story bedroom or a two-story home with a walkout basement. So just make sure, stay focused and avoid making hastily decisions as you start and begin your search. Number two, one of the most important reasons, or one of the most important tips that I can give you is set a budget. It's essential to set a budget and stick to it. The pretty house that's ten to $20,000 above your budget may not be the right home for you. The amount you can afford depends on your income, your credit score, your debt to income ratio. So your lender will know that a little bit more. Don't forget to factor in expenses such as closing costs, property taxes, homeowners insurance. Knowing your budget will help you narrow down your search and avoid overspending. Number three, when we say set a budget, we also need to get pre-approved. When you're getting pre-approved, you're going to work with a mortgage professional and one that's experienced. Most real estate agents know and work with people that have experience and that are expertise in your type of mortgage. So make sure you talk to your realtor on the type of loan you want to get, and they can hook you up with a good mortgage professional. Determining on how much you can afford and what your top tier is, so that you don't overspend again. You also want to know how much you can afford, so that it makes you an attractive buyer to the sellers. A pre-approval will also give you an idea of the interest rate you can expect, which will help you calculate your monthly mortgage payments. And your lender should also be able to help you. So if you're putting in an offer on a home and you're not quite sure if it's the right payment, you should be able to call your mortgage lender and get that exact payment on the interest rate. Number four, research neighborhoods. A lot of people come to us and say, I want a home 500 or below with this criteria, but no one's really looked at neighborhoods. Or maybe you've overlooked at neighborhoods. So there's two folds. I have to be in this neighborhood, or I don't even know what neighborhood I want to be in. So my experience is, make sure you research the neighborhoods, because the have to neighborhood, you may not be able to afford it. And you also may not like their HOA or all the criteria that's set in that neighborhood. I don't know where I'm going to be. You need to research these neighborhoods to make sure that this is the right type of neighborhood or the right type of lifestyle you want for your family. So it's an essential part of the home buying process. Consider factors such as safety, school districts, amenities, commute times, HOA factors. Take the time to visit the neighborhoods at different times of the day that you're interested in, so that you get a feel for the area. Heck, even stop and talk to some neighbors. They're the ones that are going to give you the best idea of what the neighborhood's like. Number five, hire a good real estate agent. There are so many real estate agents out there, like your neighbor's real estate agent, your friend's neighbor's your friend's a real estate agent, your best friend's friend is a real estate agent. All I can say is make sure you do your due diligence when you're vetting out real estate agents. Don't just take one because someone said, oh, my friend's a real estate agent, you should use her. Make sure you know that the realtor has been in this process, knows what they're doing, has a support and backup, so that if there are questions that they can't answer, someone is there to navigate them through it. The only way you're going to have a great experience with buying a home is if you have a great real estate agent that navigates you through the market, navigates you through the price, navigates you through the paperwork, the appraisal, the inspection. There's so many things that go into buying a home that your real estate agent is your guide for all of this. And they're the real reason that you're going to get a good deal, find the home of your dreams, or you're going to have a bad experience and move into something that you did not want to be in. So do your due diligence, interview agents, and make sure they fit what you're looking for. Number 6, attend open houses and inspections. So really, it's not even attend open houses, attend your inspection. The inspectors are there to help you navigate the new home. They're going to show you every little thing that they find that's wrong with the home, and it's their responsibility to find things wrong with the home. Every home has a whole list of things wrong with the home. I'm sure any home that you've lived in has not been in tip-top shape. Everyone knows that there's to-do lists in every home, right? So when a seller goes to sell, hopefully they've taken care of the higher dollar items, and basically there's just a few little items that need to be done. What I want to tell you here is when you work with an inspector, it will give you an opportunity to see the property and identify issues that may affect the price or your decision to purchase this home. So that's why it's very important that you're there during the inspection. Be sure to take notes, ask questions about the property when you're with the inspector. And number 7, be patient. The home buying process can take time. It's an essential piece of everyone's life. Everyone should purchase a home, but you have to be patient. Don't rush into a decision. Take time to consider all your options. Remember, buying a home is a long-term investment. It's so essential to make an informed decision, and you'll be happy for the rest of your life. So in conclusion, going through all my tips, to become a smart home buyer requires research, planning, and patience. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to finding the perfect home for you and your family. And remember, a little bit of effort now can save you a lot of stress and money down the road. Again, my name is Ramona Williams. I'm with the Springs Home team at Keller Williams Partners. We'd love to help you find that perfect home, and our information is below. Thanks, everyone.